Hi guys, today I'm here to show you a very quick review of my 4x4 Rubik's Cube Shengshou 4x4, which I have bought from Flipkart for 400 bucks. It comes with a bubble wrap packing and invoice which claims all my names and details. So it's a pretty small box. First I wondered how could be a 4x4 this small size. My previous cube from Rubik's is comparatively the equivalent size, but the both are the same. Yeah, and it's Rubik's Cube. It comes with a instruction manual which is totally in Chinese. As you know, it's a China-based company. The only thing we can read in English is made in China. Yeah, it's come with a manual which has all the instructions to solve. I think I have to trace it back when I want to solve it. And right now, unboxing of the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. It's a pretty smooth cube. I think the corner cutting of the cube is good. For 400 bucks, it is the best cube you can get. Flipkart claims that the original price of the cube would be 1062 bucks. Yeah, smooth and it's fast enough. But the only disadvantage is it comes with a sticker which will peel off. It's a pretty small cube when compared to my previous version of the cube. Both may look the same in some cases. I was expecting a bigger cube. It would have been really nice. I was ready to pay even more, but I couldn't find any cube with the black lines. It's the only cube, and which is also from a very good company, which is specialized in making Rubik's Cube. The box is everything written in Chinese. It's none of the use. Yeah, this is a quick review about the 4x4 Rubik's Cube.